royal dragon fruit smoothie or dates milk royal dragon fruit smoothie or dates milk dragon fruit smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the dragon fruit smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the dragon fruit recipes and one of the most delicious of the dates recipes and one of the most unique of the date smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milk smoothie recipes. We're going to make dates dragon fruit milk smoothie. We've taken around 100 to 150 grams of dragon fruit, royal dragon fruit that is red in color, and around 100 to 150 grams of dates from which seeds have been taken out, 100 grams of sugar. Now put in the sugar into the grinder. Put in the dates pieces and the dragon fruit. The royal dragon fruit is red in color. The flesh is red. The other dragon fruit is white. Close and grind well. Around 150 to 200 ml of milk. Into the mixture. Close and blend well the blender. The dates dragon fruit milk smoothie is ready, or dates royal dragon fruit milk smoothie is ready and can be served in a glass. If it's ordinary dragon fruit, it will be white in color. This is red because it's a royal dragon fruit. Now pour in the smoothie into the glass to serve. This can be served with ice, in which case you can add ice while blending. This is the final. Dates royal dragon fruit milk smoothie or dates milk royal dragon fruit smoothie or dates dragon fruit milk smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the beverage recipes and one of the most unique of the dragon fruit smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the date smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milk smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk recipes and one of the most unique of the dragon fruit recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the dates recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.